This is the regular polygon calculator for any number of sides, which calculates all the key geometric properties of regular polygons. The calculator has two input fields. First is number of sides n, where you enter the number of sides for your polygon with a minimum of 3. Second is side length s, where you input the length of each side. For this demonstration, I'll use a hexagon with 6 sides and a side length of 10 units. After clicking Calculate Regular Polygon Properties, the calculator provides comprehensive results for your polygon. The output includes the perimeter, which is the total distance around the polygon. You'll see the area calculation, giving you the total space enclosed by the polygon. The calculator also provides the apothem, which is the perpendicular distance from the center to the midpoint of any side. Additional outputs include the circumradius, the radius of the circumscribed circle, and the interior angle measurement. These values are essential for engineering applications involving regular polygons, from mechanical design to architectural layouts. This tool eliminates manual calculations and potential errors in polygon geometry. Find the link in the description below.